Hank Green is a dynamic force in the world of educational content and digital innovation. In 2007, alongside his brother John, Hank launched the influential Vlogbrothers YouTube channel. That same year, they founded the Project for Awesome, raising over $10 million for nonprofits worldwide. In 2008, Hank revolutionized creator merchandising by launching VidCon with Alan Lasufka. As the mastermind behind VidCon, Hank developed the largest celebration of online video culture in 2010. Acquired by Viacom in 2018, VidCon continues to foster community and creativity in the digital space. Together, Hank and John created educational powerhouses like SciShow and CrashCourse, reaching countless students. Their media company, Complexly, has garnered over 2 billion views, transforming science learning across America. In 2013, Hank introduced Subbable, a groundbreaking crowdfunding platform later absorbed by Patreon. With a rich variety of podcasts, Hank continues to inspire millions and expand Complexly's remarkable legacy.